Roblox Error 529, officially termed "You have been blocked from joining this game," arises when Roblox's moderation system identifies a violation of its community rules. This system, enhanced by AI, monitors user behavior for harassment, cheating, exploiting game mechanics, or account-related issues. This is part of Roblox's broader trust and safety framework. The error is not a technical glitch, but a policy enforcement tool designed to protect the community, especially younger users. The error can be temporary or game-specific, lasting from hours to days, indicating a cooldown period. Roblox introduced an appeal hub in September 2025, allowing users to directly submit appeals for moderation-related blocks. To resolve Error 529, start by waiting 24 to 72 hours and retrying, as most blocks are temporary. Next, check your account status on Roblox.com for any warnings or suspensions. Use the Appeal Hub in the Roblox app or website to contest the block, providing detailed reasons and evidence. Ensure your device meets Roblox's requirements and disable any VPNs or proxies that might trigger flags. Review Roblox's community rules to avoid triggers like exploits or harassment. If the issue persists, contact Roblox support via email or the developer forum. Premium users often get faster responses. To prevent future Error 529 blocks, enable two-factor authentication and proactively report abusers.